Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson, and I'm a certified life coach. So right now we're on day 6 of the 21-day series of how to make yourself more attractive and happier. The last one we talked about living in the light, and we did an exercise with the light. Well, today is how to increase your personal magnetism, and we'll do an exercise together. If you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button, and remember, sharing is caring. But let's go ahead and get started. So this is day 6, and this is on increasing your personal magnetism. And we all have it. And when it's increased, that's what makes you more attractive. One of the reasons. But have you ever noticed sometimes somebody will walk into a room and there's like this aura about them, and they may not be the prettiest, the most handsome, but there is this magnetism about them. It's the same like a businessman. There may be 2 businessmen. One has an increase in personal magnetism, and maybe the other one has better skill set. But the one with the magnetism usually will be more successful. And we all have it. It's just becoming aware of it and accessing it. And another thing I want to say is with the personal magnetism, you don't use it to affect anybody else, to change anybody else. This is just all about you, period. You don't disrupt anybody else's energy when you increase it. So how do we increase our personal magnetism? First is to become aware of it with peace and poise. And a great little exercise to do is to just sit quietly for a few moments. You can use some of the deep breathing that I went into in the earlier one, a meditation, or the last video on increasing your light. So you're going to do that, and you just sit and become aware of your energy. It's there. So it's channeling it in a peaceful way with a peaceful mind and becoming aware of it. It's your I am presence in every cell in your body. And if you spend a few minutes doing this every single day, it will increase. And again, you could use the deep breathing, the magnetism. And again, you could use meditation, deep breathing, seeing yourself surrounded in white light. So it's just sitting in peace and realizing an accumulation of this energy. And if you do it every day, this energy will increase every single day. Now, of course, there's also some things you have to avoid. You have to avoid negativity, judgment of others, and anything that you're doing physical harm to your body, what you're putting in. So it's kind of, you want a clean slate, and then just sit there and know that you have this magnetism, and just sit and think about this energy and let it accumulate all in your body every day. With a conscious effort, you can do this. Now, if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I also love to hear from you in the comments, what works, what doesn't work, what you need help with. And if you like this, consider sharing it. See you tomorrow.